Xiaomi 12s Ultra Imaging Limited Edition augments the flagship smartphone's 1-inch main camera with new screw-on filters in the case to match. Xiaomi has prepared a new Imaging Limited Edition gift box for the 12s Ultra, which presents the super premium smartphone alongside compatible filters. They can be screwed onto the smartphone thanks to a case with threads for its circular rear camera hump, and, according to the OEM, can get the best out of the device's main 1-inch Leica branded camera sensor. Deirdre O'Donnell, published the 11th of September 2022, France, Spain. 5G accessory Android launch smartphone Fubelt. Xiaomi touts its latest top-end smartphone as one for photography enthusiasts. What with the 12s Ultra's inaugural Leica branded circular rear camera hump that revolves around a first-gen Sony IMX989 main camera sensor. Now, the OEM has gone even further in pursuit of this clout for the Mi 11 Ultra's successor with a new limited edition. It consists of a new gift box for the smartphone that pairs it with a new leather case that adds custom-made threads for the 12s Ultra's gold-rimmed main feature. While Xiaomi has not gone so far as to suggest the use of lenses with the adapter, this time, it allows the two included filters, a 52mm CPL and 8x star, to be fitted onto the smartphone, as well as the compatible metallic hood. The accessories, normally the province of dedicated cameras, are backed to further enhance photos taken with the 12s Ultra under certain conditions, and are more likely to help the super premium handset keep its balance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. The flagship's new special edition may not be intended for sale, however, instead, it seems to be one of a kind as a prize in a new promotion Weibo-based giveaway instead. Users have until November 13, 2022 to enter.